So what are we looking at here? We're looking at one of these clip-on microscopes for a cell phone. This is the brand Gross Excess Clip-on Microscope. $12.99. I bought it locally because I wanted to actually try it before I used it. This has a white LED and a long wave LED. So you could use it theoretically to inspect certain things that fluoresce under long wave. Now, I'm going to show you some pictures I took with it. Unfortunately, it is rather inexpensive, and the color correction of the optics isn't that good. And you'll see as I show you some pictures of black and white print, you're going to see that there are color fringes around the edges of the letters, and those are caused by the fact that the lenses in here aren't color corrected as well as they should be. But I'm still going to use this for inspection purposes when I'm out looking at certain things, identifying parts of plants and different things like that. So you'll see more of it coming up in the future. Gross Excess 60X microscope to clip on a cell phone, or in my case, an iPad mini 2.